Jai Hind. In today's update, we are breaking down how smartly the USA plays its game, be it economics, geopolitics, or shaping the global narrative on terrorism. Stick around till the end and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates right here on Geopolitical Insider by Team MND, the Futurists. Now, the United States approach to Pakistan, it reveals a long-standing hypocrisy in balancing business interests with counter-terrorism concerns. On one hand, Washington has repeatedly flagged Pakistan's ambiguous stance towards terrorist groups operating within its borders, especially those targeting Afghanistan and India. US intelligence has openly linked elements within Pakistan's military and intelligence apparatus, particularly the ISI, to groups like the Taliban and Lashkar-e-Taiba. Now, yet on the other hand, the US continues to engage Pakistan as a strategic partner, particularly when it suits American geopolitical or economic objectives. Now, the recent push for collaboration in Pakistan's mineral sector, as seen during Eric Mayer's visit, underscores this duality. Despite unresolved concerns about the terror financing and militant safe havens, Washington is now eyeing Pakistan's untapped mineral wealth critical to supply chains for clean energy and defense technologies. Now, this selective engagement illustrates a classic realpolitik strategy: overlook convenient security lapses for lucrative resource access. The US narrative of promoting democratic values and countering extremism weakens when economic incentives take precedence, making its stance both strategically calculated and ethically inconsistent. Now, what happened on April 2025? A high level US delegation led by Eric Mayer, senior bureau official for the United States Department of State's Bureau of South and Central Asian Affairs, visited Pakistan to strengthen bilateral cooperation in the mineral sector and broader economic and security ties. Now, let's see what were the key meetings and the discussions. Now, on April 9th, Mayor met with the Pakistan Chief of Army Staff at the General Headquarters in Rawalpindi. The discussions focused on enhancing collaboration with mineral development, a core area of mutual interest, and exploring avenues for business to business, government to government, and people to people cooperation. Now, both sides expressed confidence in the positive trajectory of bilateral relations. The mayor also met with Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, who invited United States companies to invest in Pakistan's mineral sector, highlighting its immense potential. The Prime Minister emphasized that developing the country's vast mineral resources could significantly bolster Pakistan's economy. Now, what happened in the Pakistan Mineral Investment Forum 2025? The US delegation's visit coincided with the Pakistan Minerals Investment Forum 2025 held in Islamabad. This first of its kind forum aimed to attract foreign investment in Pakistan's mining sector. Mayor acknowledged the initiative, expressing confidence in Pakistan's policy to develop its vast, untapped mineral wealth through mutually beneficial partnerships. Now, what is the strategic importance of this mineral cooperation? So, Mayer underscored the US administration's priority in securing diverse and reliable sources of critical minerals essential for advanced technologies. He stated that collaboration in mineral development with Pakistan is a core area of mutual interest, given the country's rich reserves of copper, gold, lithium, and many other valuable minerals. Now let's understand about the security assurances also for investors. Addressing the concerns about the security, especially in mineral-rich regions like Balochistan, General Munir assured both local and international investors of a robust security framework. He emphasized the military's commitment to proactive measures to protect the interests and trust of partners and investors, aiming to boost confidence in the country's mineral sector. Now, what are the economic potential and challenges? Now, despite possessing significant mineral resources, Pakistan's mining sector currently contributes only about 3.2% to the national GDP. The government aims to tap into this underutilized potential to drive this entire economic growth. However, challenges such as regional security issues, particularly in areas like Balochistan, need to be addressed to attract and sustain foreign investment. Now, the United States delegation's visit and the discussions held signify a mutual interest in strengthening economic ties and leveraging Pakistan's mineral wealth for the benefits of both nations. Let's see how far this deal goes and will change the entire geopolitical landscape again. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, and do share to the people about the real geopolitics by MND, the futurist. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.